So now that we've put an eye drop in his eye, we're going to start taking the measurements. Okay, so you're gonna come all the way forward, chin here, forehead up against the bar. And we're gonna align his eyes here with this canthus. And the first measurement is having him look straight ahead. So we're gonna have this focus, and we're gonna have you pull down your lower lid. I'm going to hold your upper lid and look straight ahead. Perfect. Okay, you can sit back. So what that was doing was taking a picture of the very front of his eye. Now it's going to process the data, and we can see if we need to add more fluorescein, if his eye was moving, or if we had any other errors. It will tell us, and then we will start over again. So this one looks great. So we've got a nice image of the center of his eye. That looks excellent. So now we're going to move on to the down gaze. So same thing, pulling your lower lid, I'll hold your upper lid and just look down. Yeah, excellent. And now this one, I'm just lining up the upper limbus here. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can sit back. And again, now this is processing the data from him looking down, making sure that he didn't blink, he didn't move, and we have enough fluorescein in his eye. Yep, so we've got a nice big image here. That looks excellent. Last one is him looking all the way up. Perfect. So now I'm just going to align everything here and hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now it says eye motion detected, so we're just going to do that again. Keep looking up here. And hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can sit back. And so this is the very last image. So now it's processing again to make sure he didn't move, and there's enough fluorescein in his eye. So that looks great. And that's all it takes to do an SMAP, which will create a 3D custom scleral lens.